What's up, you guys? We are here, Roland with Star. And yes, I am using my iPhone Max Pro right now because I am waiting for my Canon to charge once it says full. And then I could be able to use it. But anyways, that is still not going to stop me. So, I have this here package. So please charge before using. Then what we have here, it is an SG900. It's a drone. So once I get over to see how this instruction goes, we'll go ahead and put it together. But besides that, I'll go ahead and show you what's in the package. This is a remote control. See, looks pretty neat. Has the antennas. Ooh. Go upwards. I'm breaking now. Okay, we pull up this way. This is my first time using it. And I guess you put your phone here. Holy cow. Put your phone here. The one I'm gonna use soon. Once my Canon is charged. And then we're gonna be able to see from this nice, badass SG900 drone. This is my first time, our first time using this drone. So hopefully it'll be awesome. So here's the battery packet that comes with it. It feels kind of heavy, heavier than a drone, it feels light. So and before that, anyways, here's a charger. And we cannot just use any charger because this has a small little, I don't know if you can see that, a small little charger connector than other USB charger. And not even that, it tells you when it's done charging, it lights up red. Once it lights up red, that means it's charging. Then once it turns off, that means it's complete. So it has a charger here and a battery, and you could charge it here in a remote. And I just did my nails too. It's Gucci. I have a friend who does it, so it's pretty good so far. So you have to slip it in. Ooh. Make sure it's in there. Ooh. You hear the snap? There's a little snap. Hopefully I didn't break it already. Okay. So it also came with little dials for the remote. These dials are for here. You just slip it in. Okay. So it also has these awesome bumpers, which I need because I'm not experienced into it. Two extra blades. And yes, I need these bumpers. See? Just 4 pieces. So, and it also came with this cute little tool. So screw. You get to have follower sensors and everything. It looks like Christmas lights. Look. I need the phone. Oh, hold on. It's not fully charged, but here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. So, here's the lighting and phone. I was waiting for this to charge. So, pretty much, let's stop this recording. Okay, so it says look up to network M8. So I found it. There. Okay, so I got it done. So this is how we're gonna figure this out here.
The coldest shit in this joint. Oh, there you go.
This is what I'm wearing today. Fashion Nova shirt, crop top, really like it. Pants, Yeezys. I figured we should try out the drone since it's already daylight the next day, of course. So let's go try it out and see if the drone could follow me and everything. And oh my god, I can't believe it. It would be so awesome. Literally, when I mean so awesome, it'll be so